Okay, students, class 9 now continuing with the tenses grammar section और टेंस में आज हम फाइनलाइज कर रहे हैं. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फाइनलाइज द टेंस का फ्यूचर. सो फ्यूचर टेंस फिर अगर बात करें टेंसेस में तो ऑलरेडी टू वी हैव डन एंड नंबर 1 वाज सिंपल. Number 2, future continuous. And today with 3 we are going to continue with future perfect tense. So future perfect tense में let us first of all discuss the structure. What is the structure? So the structure is subject plus will, shall plus, since it is perfect, have, V3 क्योंकि perfect है, and object. तो इस स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हुए let us take one more example. जैसा कि in the previous class simple future and future continuous में we had already discussed about use of will and shall. Shall I और be के साथ I shall, we shall and will with other remaining object subjects. All other subjects. So to get it much more clear, let me take subject as एक ले लेते हैं we, another he, एक ले लेते हैं I. So we के साथ according to the selection कि will और shall क्या लगना चाहिए with this subject, so there is the point interval. We के साथ we will use shall, he के साथ we will use will, and with I we will use again shall. अब after this, following the structure, have, and as you all know, have के साथ always V3. अब वैसे भी perfect में present और past और future V3 is compulsion. तो V3 let us take go का gone, do का done, and V3 of write का written. So we shall have gone, he will have done, I shall have written. अब बाकी of portion that is the object part, उस portion के लिए depends कि which type of verb we are using. Gone, going की बात हो रही है, तो we shall have gone to the school. He will have done his work, and I shall have written the question answers. Question and answers. So thus 3 examples with for simple future tense, I think according to the structure clearly understood. So take 2-3 minutes, copy it. We will move to the number 4 and that is future perfect continuous tense. I think I should have it clear हो गया होगा. So future perfect continuous tense. This is the 4th one and the final one of the tense, future. Again, let us follow the structure of this. The structure: subject, will or shall, because future perfect है बोल के have, continuous V1 plus ing, and perfect को continuous जोड़ रहा है तो that word will be being. So subject will shall have been, V1 ing, and finally object. तो अब let us take example. इसके भी एग्जांपल कर लेते हैं 1 and 2. Will and shall का use already written, so no talking on that. Have is a compulsion, will is a compulsion. Any verb make it in the ing form, subject and object according to the requirement. Yes or yes. So let us take subject as they, we, he. They के साथ we will use will, we के साथ shall and he के साथ again will. They will, let us take पहले तो स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हुए let us write have again been compulsion, so been भी compulsory लिखना है, been. Now the time for using VING form, work ing, so they will have been, we shall have been, he will have been. So what is the ing form of talk? So talking, walking, and revise, to revising. अब आती है बारी ऑब्जेक्ट की, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द वर्ड. They will have been talking for half an hour. We shall have been walking for 2 hours. समझो मॉर्निंग वॉक है, निकला हुआ है लंबे रूट से. He will have been क्या है, रिवाइजिंग द चैप्टर या सिलेबस करते हैं, रिवाइजिंग द सिलेबस सिंस मॉर्निंग. सो यूज ऑफ फॉर सिंस ऑलरेडी जानते हैं. So this is the sentence, 3 sentences, these are 3 based on a structure, and this is how. So concluding the future tense, और इस तरह से we have completed present, past and future. Whatever we will do in the next class will be the finalization of tense. Next class में tense of final कर रहे हैं और class stop होगा, and that will be the homework section which I will give you of all the 4, 1, 2, 3, third one मैंने मिटा दिया है, and this is the fourth, that is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense का 5 questions each of all the sections. So copy this down, revise it. Thank you for the day.